Okay, this is a John 70 video. Brendan, we'll be testing his... We're not really sure what kind of a gun this is. If you know, please leave a comment on what it is. We're really not sure. It's just
We think it's an MP5.
It's something like an MP5, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe an M16. It's full metal, basically. We're gonna be shooting this can here, or styrofoam cup. Brendan, go ahead and shoot it. It's high capacity mag too. Oh, nice sights. All right, go ahead. Oh.
That's not even auto, people.
All right, here we go. Auto. Fire. Oh. Ready? Fire gun.
Oh,
Hits.
I hate this.
Oh. Here's the gun again.
Hold on. Oh, last bullet.
Yep. All right, take it out.
Finish it. You may put the death.
Nice.
Oh my god.
There we go. So, definitely made some holes in it. Cuts right through styrofoam in one outside and out the other. So, definitely a powerful gun.
Last bullet.
Last bullet?
Suicider. Okay. Never mind.
Okay, there we go. Thank you for watching.
And please tell us what gun it is.
Yes, please tell us what gun it is if you can figure it out. Leave comments or questions on anything you want about it. We can answer them. Thank you for watching.